Hey guys, wanna know how to add bottom navigation in Kotlin? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide and implementation on how to do it. So I'll be doing this on our Kotlin playground and I'll be explaining to you on how it's done so you can later implement in your Android application or Android Studio. So let's get straight to it. Now first off, head towards play and then select playground. And once you're inside the playground, simply you can see this code right here. You can copy this code. Now right here, what we do is we define a list of navigation items, home, sorts and profile. Now we have got the show screen function that operates the selected tab and shows different content based on the selection, just like in the real app. We simulate user tabs by looping through the nav items, and each item it prints the currently selected tab screen content. It's a simple but powerful way to test your logic before implementing it in Compose or in XML. And that's it. That's how you simulate bottom navigation in pure Kotlin. Clean, readable and perfect for planning app behavior before diving it into the UI. And that's it. I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.